Hey guys, to start off with, you're going to want to hit the sign in button. If you do not have a Google account, you will want to make a Google account. If you already have one, just sign in here. Once you've logged in, you will be presented with the following screen. Then press the Get Started button. You will want to have all three of the checkboxes selected, just like you see in the video. Then press the Continue button. After that, you'll want to create a new project. You want to have existing projects like I do. For this example, I'm just going to use one I've already created. After you hit the next button, you'll have to enter in payment information. I'm not going to have to do that in this because I already have it entered, but it will take you to the screen that you need to go to enter in your billing info. You should be presented with a screen that looks like this after you filled in your billing information. If you are not, you might have to redo the previous steps. And then you'll just select the billing account you want to use for that project. After you've hit that next button that I just hit, you'll be brought to your API key, which you can copy. I'll copy it. Hit the done button. Now, a very important thing that you probably should do, that a lot of people don't do, is secure their API key. This is so basically other people cannot use your API key on their websites. When you do this, you'll have to give it a name. I would give it the same name as whatever you called your project. And then I'm using this for a website, which probably most of you will be using it for. If that is the case, what you'll want to do is you'll want to add your website in the same field that I'm adding my website in. Once that is done, you will want to make sure you hit the blue save button. After performing all these steps, you should be able to use this API key on any website. Please like and subscribe if I've helped you in any way.